SK hynix to Q. Second quarter 24 financial ledger says more than a doubling year over year and 32% Q quarter over quarter, and are largely profitable. In care W billion revenue 7,306 in 2Q 2023, and 2Q 24 is 16,423, growth 125%. Its net income is loss minus 2,988 and 4,129. Revenue at 16.4233 trillion won. Operating profit at 5.465 trillion won. The net profit at 4.12 trillion won. As quarter revenue all-time high, the operating profit hit 5 trillion won, the first time since into any 18 boom. The AI as a memory product, including the HBM ESSD, in a boom, and then turning to a profit to 2 straight quarters, as following the four by 4.3 trillion won in a quarter. Confidence that the company will solidify that its goal is not its global, not one and AI memory provider position based on stable financial structure. The SK hynix Incorporation recorded 16.423 trillion won in revenue, 5.4685 trillion won in the operating profit, with operating margin of 33% and 4.12 trillion won in net profit, with a net margin of 25% into financial quarter 24. The quarter revenues marked all-time high, far exceeding the previous record of 12.881 trillion won into financial quarter 2. It's over to financial quarter 24, I think. As operating profit also increased significantly. I think this two financial record to 1.8. It's okay. As operating profit also increased significantly, making 5 trillion won the first time in 60 years since the two finance quarter 18, 4.5739 trillion won, and the third financial quarter 18, 6.4723 trillion won of 2018 during the semiconductor super boom. The company that the continuous rise in overall prices of DRAM and NAND product with a strong demand for the AI's memories, including HBM, led to a 32% increase in revenue compared to first finance quarter 24. Also, with the sales of the premium project that rise and exchange rate effect adding, the operating profit ratio in the first financial quarter 24 rose 10% points from one financial quarter 24 to 33%, performing to market expectation. In the DRAM area, SK hynix increased the proportion of the high value added product such as HBM3E and DRAM4 servers, which company began mass production since this March. In the particular, HBM sales went up as by more than 80% compared to one financial Q24 and more than 250% compared to second financial quarter is 23, reading the company's improvement. For the NAND business, the sales of eSSD and mobile products increased for the most part, especially eSSD sales, which continue to grow steeply, rose by about 15% from 50% from the first financial quarter 24, and the company emphasized that ASP has continued to rise across NAND project since fourth financial quarter 23, turning to the profit for 2 consecutive quarters. If the forecast that the demand for AI server memory will continue to rise into second half 24, and the sales of high performance memory projects will increase as new PC and mobile projects supporting on device AI will be released on the market. The company also expects the general memory project market to be on a steady growth path as well. According with this movement, the SK hynix plans to continue to its leadership in the HBM market by mass producing the 12-layer HBM3E product, which the company provided samples to major customers in third financial quarter 24. It also plans to launch 32 gigabit DDR5 DRAM for servers and MCR DIMM1 and high performance computing into second half of 24 to maintain its competitive advantage in the DR5 area, where the company is only provider of the highest capacity to 65 giga product of server. I think 2 and 56 gigabyte project for server. The one MCR DIMM multiplex combined length dual inline memory module. The module product and with multiple DRAMs bounded a motherboard in which length-based information processing units operate simultaneously, resulting in improved speed. For NAND, the firm plans to extend sales of high-capacity eSSD and lead the market in second half 24 with the 60 terabyte project, expecting eSSD sales to be more than a quadrupled compared to last year. In addition, it plans to continue its earnings growth by introducing competitive solutions to customers across NAND product portfolio. Separately, it is working on the construction of Changzhou M15X, which is under construction with the goal of starting mass production in second half 25 to cope with the growing demand for AI memory. In addition, it plans to start construction of the first fab of the Yongin semiconductor cluster in March next year and complete it May 2027 as scheduled. It explained that although the yearly capex might be higher than planned at the beginning of the year, the company will establish an investment plan by closely analyzing customer demand and profitability while securing financial soundness by efficiently executing it with the operating cash flow. So we were able to reduce the borrowing by 4.3 trillion won compared to first financial quarter 24, while making essential investment during second financial quarter 24 in line with its profitability-oriented investment stance, CFO Kim Woo-yeon said. The company will further solidify the position as a leader in AI memory projects by focusing on developing the best process technology and high-performance products based on a stable financial structure. Revenue analysis. The reported record quarterly revenue of KRW 16.4 trillion is marking the 32% Q-over-Q increase and at 112% at 125% year-over-year increase. Operating profit for the second finance quarter 24 increased by KRW 2.58 trillion from the previous quarter to the KRW 5.47 trillion with the operating profit margin of 33%. The HBM sales grew significantly with 80% increase from one financial Q24 and over 250% year-over-year growth. Plans to release the high-density servers DRAM and the MCRD project in second half of 2014 at 24 is targeting the high-performance computing market. It is expanding its enterprise SSD sales and expecting the annual sales to grow nearly 4 times compared to the last year. The negative shipment of the enterprise SSD and module products decreased by the low single-digit Q-over-Q due to muted demand recovery. Non-GAAP operating loss net of the gain for the second financial quarter 24 was KRW 0.42 trillion, including net interest expense and net foreign currency related loss. Consolidated cash and cash equivalents decreased by KRW 6.0 trillion from the end of the first quarter finance quarter 24, expecting a mid-single-digit % sequential decrease in the bit shipment despite an increase in eSSD sales volume. Investment needs are rising to meet demand for conventional DRAM and HBM, leading to the higher than expected capex level for the year. Revenue by the product. RAM, NAND. Others. Revenue by the application. Mobile, consumer, graphics, server, PC. NAND, SSD, mobile, USB, card, and others. In trillion one, two. Okay. Thank you for your time. Today I read this article, the SK hynix second quarter 24 financial result. Thank you for your time and see you next time.